Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. So if you're working late at night or just want to reduce eye strain, this setting will help you a lot. So the first thing that you need to do is you go to your search bar, then open up your Word, your Microsoft Word. Once it opens, you can go ahead and select the blank document. Click on it like that. Then as you can see, my screen is completely white, and this one can make me strain a lot at night when you're working with Microsoft Word. So maybe you need to change this white view into dark mode. What you do is you'll go to the section up here and click on File tab like that. I'll show you two options that you can use. The first one is you just click on the File tab the way I've done, then move down to this section where there's account. Click on it like that. Then you go to this section where you have your office background, and you have the office theme. This is the section where you want to change your color. So you can, if I click on dark gray, you can see the color is changing a little bit into dark mode. So if I want to go completely black, I will just click on black. Then when I go back, I can see now my word has changed from white to dark mode. But at the same time, I can still see this page, it is white. So if I want to change it into dark so that I can type any information here, I will just go to this design tab up here. Then once I click on that, I'll go to this section where it says page color. This is the page background. Then I'll click on it. Then from there, I can select the black color if I want, or I can select any other color that I want to work with at night. But let me just go completely black. Then if I copy and paste any content here, I can still see that now you can work from this section just normally. And when you look at this, maybe you might ask yourself, what will happen if I print this page? When you, let's say, for example, I press Control P, you can see the document is giving you a preview that is going to print a black and white paper, so there's no problem there. And now you've completely turned your Word into dark mode so that you don't strain as much when you are working at night. And that is it. You have now turned on dark mode in Microsoft Word. It's simple, fast, and way easier on the eyes, especially if you're writing at night. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.